I will stand by you. I'll get your back. Don't worry. Fret not. I have to go. I gotta go. Make it quick. Make it snappy. Don't touch me. Get off me. It is time to study. It's time to hit the books. I am listening. I am all ears. Leave my arm. Let go of my arm. Come home. Come over. I am very tired. I am dead tired. It is time to sleep. It's time to hit the pillow. I want to ask you a question. I want to pick your brain. You are very kind. You have a golden heart. I'm very excited. I am pumped up. Good luck. Break a leg. I'm not sure about it. I'm on the fence. I'll keep quiet. I'll zip my lips. I'm scared to do this. I have cold feet. He is lazy. He's couch potato. He is so fat. He is big boned.